Welcome to this screencast. Today I'm sharing how I created and collaborated on a Google document. I shared this originally with 3 other collaborators, 2 of whom actually added feedback. And you can see here that all I had to do was go to the share button and allow edit access. I was able to get some feedback, including questions about wonderings, questions about or concerns about the different programs that I had selected, as well as some clarifying questions, and one additional collaborator also chose to edit directly into the document, which you can see when you check out previous versions, that there's one line including another concern that was added directly into the document itself. So that's how I was able to collaborate on this Google document and incorporate feedback from collaborators without having to even leave my home. So a very powerful tool. I'm excited to use more.